Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be discussing a very fascinating project that I just ran across. Today we're going to be discussing the Meta Cricket League. Now that is on Jump.trade, and this is an NFT marketplace where they actually trade the NFT for the project. It is a game, of course, involving NFTs, and we're just going to go through a couple of different aspects about this. It is a game that will also be available on Android from what I can find. We're going to go through some really cool articles because there's a lot of buzz about this. I'm not going to show it in this video just because again, I'm always really wary about showing it, but you can actually look. There's a lot of buzz about this on Reddit at the moment as well. So the NFT collection, check it out. The Jump.trade NFT marketplace enables you to buy NFTs belonging to two categories, the Meta Cricket League NFTs and the Meta Cricket League signed bat NFT. Marketplace may also feature more sports NFT in the future. And in that regard, so this is actually the main marketplace, but you can go separately. So here are some of the players you can actually get, which they've got really fun designs, honestly, funny glasses, just interesting designs in general. And then these are the signed bats by the players. Now, personally, I don't actually know a whole lot about cricket as an American, to the point where I believe, from what I have figured out, is these are the digital signatures of actual famous cricket players, and some of these are based on real cricket players, but that is just from what I've seen people say, so take that with a grain of salt, again, but either way, it's very cool, and I think this, at the very least, gives them the opening to work with real cricket players, which, you know, again, I am an American, so I don't know much about it, but I do know for a fact it is a big game everywhere else in the world, so I think that is something that is to be respected in any aspect. Now, they're actually... I was thumbing through here on their Discord. They've got a lot of info here on Discord as well if you're ever interested in anything going on. A lot of, which it's pretty cool actually. They have a Hindi and a Tamil chat as well, which I think is really cool to sort of have that diversity of language in any project, because I think it opens up your options quite a lot. And of course, in other countries than English-speaking countries, there are, you know, billions of other people, so it's really not a bad idea. Looks like I had a little collar flip right there, just got to pop it back into place. And then we can see here Jump.trade NFT. Now this is their excuse me, their official Instagram account, just over 9,000, with almost 9,000 over here on Twitter. And we can see authenticated cricket digital collectibles bring the heat to Meta Arena. Join the community. And now, there are some really cool articles about this, because this project did get some really good buzz initially. 55,000 Meta Cricket League NFTs sell out in 9 minutes. And this is actually reported on in a couple of different news articles, if you can kind of see. The last two websites I don't know so much about. The first two, Yahoo and CoinCora, I know more about as legitimate sites, but I think either way it's very impressive, and you can see this has gotten some good engagement. 45. Again, you have to understand, engagement like that on any other website is really solid for any project. I know 45 might not seem like a lot, but that is great engagement for any project, because it shows there's much more than 45 actually engaging with the real project. As we can see here, quite a lot of NFT sold out. Now, here's some cool fast facts about the NFT that I do think is interesting. It is now priced at 25 plus each. Some of them are much more depending on the rarity, and they actually initially sold at $12.50. So this project is technically doubled, more than doubled already, actually. Well, doubled at 25, but I believe a lot of them are going for closer to 30 plus, from what I could see on the market. Superloot NFTs market Guardian links foray into the artificial intelligence powered metaverse gaming industry. ERC 721 NFTs held a unique smart learning system powered by the game's AI, were minted on Guardian Link's Layer 2, which works across bridged networks of Polygon, Ethereum, Avalanche, and Solana. Meta Cricket League is a new play-to-earn P2E game that allows players to earn rewards by climbing their their leaderboards. And while I'm thinking about that, of course, let me make sure to give this, I apologize doing it in the middle of the video, but please do keep in mind this is not financial advice. I am in no way a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to discuss fun, cool new projects that I run across. So with that being said, please do keep in mind, take everything I say with a grain of salt. You know, don't invest in something just because I talk about it. Please make sure to do a modicum of your own research on any project you decide to invest in for yourself. But we will jump back into the research together. Jump.trade is expected to launch Chelsea Football Club collectibles, which is cool. NFTs featuring exclusives such as tickets, signed postcards, and photographs representing the team's history from 1905. And I am smart enough to know that Chelsea is a real football team, as anyone else in the world would call football. I think soccer. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to all of you. Anyway, this is just a really cool project. At the moment, there's not a whole lot to discuss here, but that's kind of part of why I really love this. Is it's a nice and simple project to understand. It's a fun game. They're building their way up. It's got a great team behind it, is what it seems like, and they're clearly working very hard. They've already been working for quite a little bit, so this is a project that is still inexpensive to buy into if you are actually interested in buying into it. However, you know, there is, it's just at that low cap enough that there's use and interest to buy in, but at the same time, there does seem to be upward mobility, especially with the fact that, obviously, if you were to get a specific type of player, there's a large percentage of the world that are fans of cricket, for those of you who are American viewers, who might not really know that very much. So also, again, the football, right? You know, Chelsea, I know, is one of the more popular teams. I hear about it quite a lot when people discuss football. So with that in mind, it's here on Jump.trade is where you'll find it. Jump.trade, which, by the way, great name for a website, extremely marketable name. But that being said, again, very cool. You know, I appreciate what they're doing here with this. They're not trying to make it too complicated, anything like that, and go into every single aspect of a project. They just want to make NFTs and a good game, which is a really great thing to meld/mesh together for a good project. But my friends, as always, thank you very much for coming by CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and I will see you in the next episode.